Hi, this is Misha, and a little earlier in the spring we talked about this gun here. This is a semi-automatic Czech SA Vz, and this is the 24 just because it has the fixed wood stock. The 26 would be the side folding metal stock. In our initial video we talked about the history and development of this gun in the Czech military. It fires 7.62-25 Tokarev. It was their full-size submachine gun, which early versions went into production in the late 40s, and they would remain in service through the 70s. This semi-auto was put together by Gun Builder, who's kind of always been interested in the Vz.24/26 series and has been making these for several years, and he built a couple for me, and we took this one out and ran some rounds through it.
The bolt was kind of halfway closed.
Well, it's a blowback, so that's okay.
There's something in there.
Okay, that's what you're saying.
There was one live round in there then.
Could have been that was the last one in the mag, so yeah. These are old mags. So.
You can try one more mag?
Yeah, give them that other mag.
Okay. A little more left. Go ahead. Live round sticking out the top. That looks like a mag problem.
Yeah, like I said, these mags are so cheap. They take the mag out.
Because you have a stovepipe, but it's a live round stovepipe. So it's what, a double feed probably?
Yeah, it means the feed angle's
right.
Gibbered up.
Shot right out the top.
Yep, I would agree. Yeah, if the gun seems solid, then we'll get into mag testing.
I didn't know Pro Mag made Vz.26 mags.
Yeah, it's their new market.
More left. Go ahead. One round left, or a couple?
I think just
Looks
one.
Like one. Yeah.
It's that last round issue like we had with the Uzi. I think on these old mags.
Yep.
Yeah, it's just not picking that last one up. I bet it's just not got quite enough old force in it. I'll press up on the mag.
I think you got it that time.
Yeah, I was pressing up to get that's a mag.
Okay.
I will say this mag fit a little looser in the mag well.
Yeah.
So I bet it tolerance thing.
Probably.
Yep. Pull it back real good, yeah.
Yep. Hey, that reminds me of a gun that we shot today.
Yeah, doesn't it though?
Uh-huh. Didn't take up the last round.
That's that mag, so that's just the mag. It's doing its thing. Sorry. We put about 150 rounds. Most of it was Red Army standard, but we did put a couple of dozen rounds of brass cased PPU through, and we're happy to report it cycled very, very well. We had no real major problems. We had a couple of failures to feed on the last round of 2 or 3 mags, but I'm going to say this is attributable very much to light mag springs. You know, these are old mags. The mag screws are very inexpensive, but and the reason I say that is when I pressed up on the bottom of the mags, it would pick it up, but when I didn't, it would just go over. That tells me the cartridge was just sitting a little low. So yeah, aside from that, we had very good luck, and we were very pleasantly surprised. It was a fun gun, light recoil, no muzzle flip, respectable trigger for a military gun. Nothing to get excited about, but nothing terrible. I will say that you really have to cock it back good because you've got to compress a pretty heavy spring. Again, we're shooting Tokarev, folks, and this is a pretty compact bolt system. Trigger is, like I said, fine. This is striker fired. This wood stock is much more comfortable to shoot with than the folder, even though I know the folder looks cool. So yeah, we were pleasantly surprised. This is a really neat semi-auto, and these kits have been very cheap and affordable and easy to find, as have been magazines, slings, and other accessories. So if you're interested in com block or Czechoslovakian firearms, this is definitely something to look into. And if you're interested in the history or showing how this semi-auto comes apart and just how it works and is ATF legal, please check out our initial video. And if you still need more Czech stuff, we've got plenty of videos on the various Scorpions and Vz.22s compared to the SKS and all kinds of stuff, Vz.28, so check those out. We have a Czech playlist. So check. We'll really appreciate you tuning in to this update video, and as we keep on shooting this gun, we'll keep on posting. But so far, good with both steel and brass case ammo. Happy to report it. Always nice to support these little small builders doing kind of boutique guns like this. Much better than, say, the Century RAS-47. Much more interesting to me, anyway. Got some history here. If you have any questions, please post them below. And if you like the video, we'd appreciate a like click. And if you'd like to help support us get out to the range and buy some more Tokarev ammo because it's not near as cheap as it used to be, please click on the link and check out our Patreon page. This is Misha, and we'll catch you next time.